What's up, y'all? Patrick, Dirty South Outdoors. I got the next rabbit hunting video done, and this is going to be another good one. We ended up killing 12 rabbits. Buzz ran really good for us, jumped some rabbits, and then had some really long runs towards the end. So, like I said, we killed 12 rabbits, and it was a good time. Put together all the clips. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.
They might want to come in on the bottom down there and work.
Might be up in this. Hey, hey, hey. Let him run him.
Where'd he go?
Here. Hey, be ready. You might jump another one. Get him, Buzz. Get him, Buzz. Hi, boy, Buzz. Hi, boy. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Hi, boy, Buzz. Yeah. Buzz, hey, 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 hey. Attaboy. Attaboy. Attaboy.
There's been something in this brush off. Every time he gets in, he starts wagging. There go! Roll him! He ain't dead yet. He's still laying there.
He jumped that one. Get him, Buzz.
Get him! That rabbit's still alive. Get him, Buzz! He's all the way down at the bottom coming to you, Pat. Get him, Buzz! He's gonna be in that water. Get him! Get him! Good boy! Good boy! That a boy. Here, here. Give, 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 give. There, good boy. Give. Dead. Dead.
He's heading down. Watch him cutting that loop coming back to the right and everything. Yeah, I think that rabbit went up the field. Did y'all see it? He just caught one.
That's probably what I shot at. Hey, don't push that one.
Boy, he's up in the thick stuff with this one. Bottom. Oh no, he's got him. Attaboy. Attaboy, Buzz. Attaboy. 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 I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him.
Whenever he ran with brush fire, I couldn't see him. I just heard him take off.
Where'd the other one go?
Yeah, we won't.
Where'd it run out of?
Just sitting on these bushes.
Yeah, sitting in this briar patch right here.
Thank you. Is this thing recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Find him.
Be ready, Hunter.
Yeah, he's on me.
I think there's some brush on the bottom. He's going straight down. Go ahead and cut through. Who shot him? Hunter, let him run him. Let him run him.
Oh God, I wish I was recording.
God, I didn't get mine on in time, I don't think.
Holy! I didn't aim down. I just did this. I shot him just like this. I didn't aim down. You see me? He was so close. I didn't have to aim down.
I can just pick him up. Boy was.
It looked like you headshot him.
I had to. That's all he was looking at me.
Buzz jumped him right off that log, didn't he?
He was right. He was right down
Was he?
here. Yeah. He was sitting right here in this damn stuff and seen Buzz coming.
That's that one.
Probably. Me and Hunter were standing here saying that was a good spot for him. He could be.
He was literally just sitting right here. I did this.
He,
So close. I didn't aim
he
down.
rolled him.
Dude, he was digging, son. I was
Yeah, I still hit that log right there.
I
ain't let him get away. We shot him closer than that.
I just kicked it. I just kicked it, Ryan. Yeah.
I thought he was gonna jump in your pocket.
That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him.
What's he looking like?
That's him. Give me here. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, he's mad at him.
Hey. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him.
His front end's jello.
That's alright. The back end's where the good stuff is. He's sight chasing him up the center, up the center. He's digging on him.
I couldn't shoot him because he was too close to Buzz.
Yeah.
You couldn't shoot him because Buzz was right on his tail. Who owns these woods?
They own the woods.
Do they?
That thing's probably gonna loop left and try to come back down. I don't know. Find him. All right, starting to work left. Y'all keep your eyes out. He's gonna be ahead of him. He'll be ahead of him. Coming back to the field up here. Coming in hard. It looks like he's gonna come right down this fence line. He is. Garen, we get down here. He's already down here. He's gonna run back down this bottom. Right here. Garen, coming to you.
He's hit good.
How many shots does it take? How many shots does it take to kill a rabbit?
Be ready for Nolan. I'll go through right here when Buzz crosses. I was recording the whole time chasing Buzz.
What?
I was literally running chasing him the whole
I'm
way.
recording, ain't I?
Yeah.
Find him, Buzz. Buzz got him. He's dead. 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 There's gonna be a lot more rabbits in here. Dead. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, dead. Bro, he's got no back legs. Good. Good boy. Good boy. He's dead. Good boy. You kill him? Is that another one?
That other one's in here somewhere. Cause he was.
Did he keep going left or did he cut right?
He shot right. But he's somewhere in here.
6 times I died inside of a washing
Look.
machine. Yeah, that's him.
Rabbit comes straight down the road.
That might be that one I shot at. Watch right here.
There he is. Let go, let go.
You get him?
Yeah. Kill him?
Yeah.
Get him again.
Done now. He's had enough. That right there's another close one, real close one.
I was, you see me, I was like, let him go, let him go. I was like this.
Jumped him out of there?
Yeah.
That's him. That's him. That's him. Good boy. 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 Dead. Dead. Give. My rabbit. My rabbit. Dead. 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 Hey. Dead.
You mad at him?
But hey.
There he goes. I think we missed him. Is he dead?
Did I jump him?
I shot at him too. I think we missed him though. If not, he's right there. Buzz is on him.
Be ready for more coming out of this brush.
Yeah, he was last right there.
When he... Oh, yeah, I'm recording.
I'm going.
Buzz.
He didn't kick out in the field, did he? That's what I was looking for. So he's still somewhere.
There'll be more in this brush right here too.
Find him, boy. Find him.
He's skipping on this brush, so all this brush is still good.
I just.
Dead. Good shot, Gary.
Another one. No, never mind. I missed.
Gary rolled him.
I know I missed him. He was too close to me.
No.
Another one.
Coming to you, Pat. Coming to you right here. Coming straight to you.
Come this way. Move. Sitting right here.
You hit him. He didn't die though. You hit him.
I hear him.
Going up the backside, Gary. Get over there. He's hit. I don't want him to go in the hole. He got a headshot on him. He's dead. Yeah. There. That's him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. You just toss it over here to him to show him you got it. Good boy. Hey, hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, there's another one. Good boy. Good boy.
Good little pack.
Good boy. Good boy.
Put them in yours.
Hey, 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 hey. Good boy. No, you stay down. Don't jump. Stay.
There I go.
Yeah, I believe me too. Wait, rabbit, right here. Back up, y'all. Back up.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Sitting right here.
Gary, tell me when I'm recording.
I can't jump you up.
Back up, Gary. His aim will to y'all. Back up towards. Here. Because he's going to come probably right across that gap. Y'all just be ready. Buzz, right here. Get him in here. He's sitting right in there. God.
Yeah, we killed him. No way he was getting away.
Buzz, got your old tail bloody, it looks like, old son.
Yeah. We busted him out of that patch. What you did? Right at the beginning, dude.
That's a tank right there.
I'm gonna take this freaking hoodie off and burn it up.
Unload me too, real quick.
Buzz. Good job.
If somebody don't mind. Hunter done pulled off the tail.
I ain't got to pull it off to eat anyway.
That's a good back leg.
Good boy.
This jacket right here's coming off.
I know you're sweating in that jacket, honey.
This is the best jacket I ever bought.
I know. I love that jacket. All of them.
It's the warmest jacket, I swear.
You got one more? Oh, it was looped around.
How many we got right now?
I ain't counting them.
Once we go over there, we'll have just
Enough.
Once we go over there, we might.
I can't tell how long that thing been in there. I don't know. Yeah, that's probably him.
Yeah. Probably gonna jump multiples out of this. You better be ready.
Might want to get it that end so you don't cut across property line. Probably already has.
He's running.
Is that it or him? That's him.
Man, he's digging it, boy.
That was completely unexpected.
Yeah. I was looking okay.
It's gonna try to turn around too, probably. Cause it can spin right around him and he won't know it.
That rabbit liable to try to make a loop in there on him. He is, he's screaming.
Here he goes. Too thick.
I said I'm gonna send it.
There he is. He's in here. Coming to y'all. Coming to y'all.
I'm right here.
He's seen me. He's in this pile. He seen me and jumped back in.
Right here. Here in the middle.
He seen me and jumped back in.
Right here. Here in the middle.
He seen me and jumped back in the pile.
Did he keep digging? It's a big rabbit. Yeah. He's going left. He's gonna come back this way. We gotta be watching this creek. If we just spread out right here on this creek, he's gotta come back. He's gonna go back to the same spot.
Bro, he was way over there. Huh?
That rabbit's gonna come, just circle back on that creek and come back up. You recording? Yeah. I paused one. He's coming back hard.
That's coming.
He just jumped him. Coming back, be ready. He jumped him. He's coming. He's coming.
You're coming you hard.
We gotta kill this rabbit.
Ain't going up the other tree line, is it?
Something's in this field coming down the edge. Sounds like he's headed up and to the right.
Hey, rabbit's right here. Rabbit's right here. I just seen him. I lost him. He's right here, Patrick. Dead.
I don't know how to respond to that.
He moved?
Oh, he's dead. He's stone cold.
Did he move so you could? Dead. Boy, you want to talk about a run? He'll own him too.
That run make you tired?
Yeah. Wore me out.
Sitting right here on this fence line, Pat. What happened? There's another rabbit over here. I hear something.
Well, get ready. Here comes Buzz right to you.
It is, that's the one.
Buzz just trying to figure out where he came through this fence at. That's him. That's him. That's him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good run. Good run. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, 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 hey. Good boy. Good boy. Dead. 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 Good boy. Dead. Dead.
Boy, he'll get it, won't he? Acting a fool. Golly.
The asshole lady working at Hardee's and we talk about that beagle run that rabbit by her.
He said, he asked that old lady at Hardee's, what do you think about that beagle that ran that rabbit by you earlier? That's a big old rabbit. Yes, sir.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Hey. Hey, what a run. What a run. What a run.
Did I hit him in the leg or hit? I think it headshot him.
His legs broke. You headshot him in the legs. Right? He was probably sitting, wasn't he?
Yeah. Obo was just sitting still. Buzz going in. There he goes, there he goes!
Did y'all kill him?
I wasn't recording.
Am I?
My camera's looking up.
I think I am.
Yeah, I think you are.
Did y'all get him? Heading down, ain't he? Ryan, don't go out there where you can be seen. He's probably gonna turn left. He's running him. God dang, boy, he's running him. He's coming back. Which way's he coming? Yeah. God knows, boy. Woo! Boy, he done went clean across the county.
He's over here. He's over here. He's over here, Buzz. That's him. That's him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good run. Good run. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
Look at him. He's so proud. Look at him. He's like, yeah, I did that.
You see that, boys?
What were we saying to that rabbit when he was barking?
Ain't no telling. Probably all kinds of junk.
What's the plan, boys?
Well, Buzz made it.
Doggone.
You can probably walk right down where Buzz came down.
I walk on the edge because there's some brush just over here.